Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel, and in this video you're going to see the unboxing of this Zebronics Zeb Vita Blast Bluetooth speaker. And this one actually I got it from Amazon and it costed me around 1500 bucks. Now let's get to the specs of this speaker. So it comes with a Bluetooth version 5.1. Right now in the market it's 5.3 is going on. Also it has a call function with it, so also has a mic, and it has two speakers. They're told as dual passive radiators, don't know what's that meaning. So it has two speakers at the left and the right, and it comes with a 15 hours of backup and 16 watts RMS output. Okay. Oh, so anything else is actually we got a built-in rechargeable battery, a media control, 7 LED modes, and a USB M SD card. Oh, actually it comes with a micro SD card slot, so it's a great actually. So and then we have FM radio, it's nice, and aux also is there so that you could connect to your old TVs also. And here if you could see, it's a 16 watts power output system, so 8 plus 8 watts, two speakers will be there, and maximum SD card support is around 32 GB. So charging time it takes around 4.5 hours. Great. Okay, so it's weighs less than a kilo, so it's nice. So these specs are actually at 50% volume with LED off. So if you turn on the LED, I think the charge won't come more than 10 hours, I guess. So at the rear, as you could see here, so the cost it's written as 2300, but yes, it's just 1500 as of now. So you could have the dimensions. So packaging, what you get is a speaker, a charging cable, and a QR code guide. Okay, it's nice. So you have wireless setups. You could pair these two as a true wireless TWS, and you can use these two speakers if you have. So now let's open it up. So it's like a sliding mechanism. My packaging is actually damaged because of the courier. So let me open it up for you guys. And yeah, here you could see a, let's see, it's actually a type C. That's great. So in terms of size, you could see it's covering around 4 hands. So you get a small cover over the top, at the bottom, also on the sides you get. Okay, it's nice actually. On the left side you see you will be having a mode button, volume up and down, and also the media. That's great actually. On this side you just get a Zebronics code, and at the back here's where everything gets great. You get a USB, you get a DC 5-volt charging input, micro SD card, you can put it here, and aux. And as you could see near the aux, this one is the mic, so it gets a great stand up. So the speaker itself is like slanting, so you get a bottom, it's like this. So yeah, here you get the Zebronics Zeb PSPK22. Nice actually. So let me turn this thing on for you guys. To turn it on, you should press the mode button.
Zebronics, always ahead. Bluetooth mode.
Okay, you could have heard that sound.
Zeb Vita Blast is now connected.
So I'm actually speaking through the speaker. So I don't know, speaker's mic, I don't know whether you could hear me or not. So let me show you guys the color output of this. So for this you have to press the mode button. You have to long press the mode.
Power off.
So that's the power off. Yep.
Zebronics, always ahead. Bluetooth mode.
So for this actually you should press the play button, change the colors on and off. This is one sort of color that you could see. Let me change it to next mode. So this is different. This is red, green. Yeah, it's turned off. So the light has been turned off. So the only negative thing in this is actually to turn off the light, you have to press this one continuously for around meddle with this for 30 seconds. You have to. So that's the one disadvantage of this speaker. And this is all about the short unboxing and review of the Zebronics speaker. So thanks for watching this video guys. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel.